Hi, welcome to this month's video collaboration. This month's topic is the top 5 unwritten rules of motorhome and caravan etiquette. Now you'll have to excuse the road noise, there's all sorts of things going behind us at the moment, but such is life, the joys of motorhoming. So you'll find a link to the playlist of the other collaborators' videos in the description below and a card at the end of the video. So we'd encourage you to go and view the other videos, see what their unwritten rules are. So these are our top 5 unwritten rules of motorhome and caravan etiquette for you. So let's get rolling. Number 1. Keep it clean. So picnic tables, fire pits. I'm sure you've all heard the horror stories of people dumping black waste and grey waste in inappropriate locations. So the rule here, it's a very famous rule, applies to camping as well, is take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. So I'm curious to know, what's the worst thing you've seen your fellow motorhomers or caravanners do that you think shouldn't be allowed? Number 2.
When setting up, make sure to stay within your designated area, keeping awnings, windbreaks and barbecues within your pitch. Remember, your neighbors value their privacy just as much as you do. Have you had your pitch invaded? Let us know in the comments.
Number 3. Every site's got its own set of rules. Now some may be a little bit more pedantic than others, but ultimately they're designed to ensure safety and enjoyment for everyone. So make sure you're familiar with them and strictly adhere to guidelines about fires, noise and pets. Please excuse the road noise. Number 4.
Be mindful of noise levels. Some travels far in the great outdoors, especially at night time. I'm sure at some point you encountered rowdy groups that keep everyone awake at night time. Keep music, conversations and other noise to a minimum after that. Please follow the rules. Usually sites say that after 10:30 music should stop.
Number 5. Be generous with your knowledge and help. So the motorhome and caravan community is known for its camaraderie. So don't hesitate to offer a helping hand and share your tips with newcomers, because we're all beginners once. So if you see someone struggling with an awning or struggling reversing or putting a few tent pegs in, offer a helping hand. It all helps. It makes life go around much smoother.
There is another one I'd like to, I would say, not unwritten rule, but it's something that only motorhomers do, which I quite enjoy doing, is waving to everybody while you're on the road. We noticed that caravanners don't do it and campervans don't do it. It's only motorhome. But let us know, do you know the reason why we do it? But I'm just doing it for the fun of waiting to see if anybody will wave to us while on the road.
So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and maybe share it with your fellow travellers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making the most of your motorhome and caravan adventures. So safe travels and see you on the road soon.
Bye.
Bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more motorhome related content. We'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts and suggestions. Your support means the world to us and helps us to create more videos for you to enjoy. So thanks for watching.